Hello, today we're going to talk about the text, which has happened to be lesson 10 for code.org. So we're just going to add some text to our program. So I'm actually at part 2 of the learning modules. So it says change the displayed text in the provided code. Replace the text in the text block that says change me and add another text block. So if you look down here, here's the text. And if we actually run this, you can see that it shows up right here. And so what we want to do is just change this. So we're just going to say, I love to code. And then that will change the text right there. And then it says add another sentence in a different part of the screen and add a second text block and change the X and Y locations in the block. All right, so I'm going to have it show the grid here. And so right down here below this comment, it says add another sentence in a different part of the screen. If I go to drawing, you will find text right here, and I can drag this out. And there's a lot of different options under drawing here, and we're going to start talking more about those as we go into the next lesson. So it says add text here. I'm just going to say code is awesome. And then we want it in a different part of the screen. So I'm going to kind of put it up here. So let's say 250 by 100. So we're going to say 250, 100. And that should place that up here. And code is awesome. Let me remove the grid. Code is awesome. I love to code. Okay. So now we're going to move on to the next thing that we completed that. So now with this activity, it says you can change the size of text using the text size block. It says run the code to see how it works. If you click this, you'll notice there's small. So we have our background that's light blue, and then here's text size of 20, and that's applying to small right here. And see how small. And then we have text size 40, which happens to be medium. And then we have text large, which actually right now is the same as medium, because what happens is when we put text size on here, it applies to the next text block until we put a new size down. So let's go ahead and go to drawing, and we're going to go to text size right here. And since this was 20 and this is 40, let's make this 60. And if we did that correctly, it is larger than this one. And you'll notice several of these now along the side. We have no fill, we have no stroke, so stroke color. So we can actually, with blocks, we can put a line around them. And we have text size, here's the text, fill, and different things like that. So we're starting to get a few more options here. Even RGB, you can set an RGB color, which is really kind of cool. And so we'll get into more of these in the coming lessons. But hopefully this helps you with your coding and help answer some questions for you. Good luck.